What up, guys? This is Infected Jerk. Today is a different video. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. I haven't done any live stream. Sorry about that. But I wanted to show you guys the new DEEPCOOL MATREXX 55 case that I picked up. I had to swap my computer tower over into this, and I think it turned out really good. But also, I know out there's a lot of people probably curious about the cable management because there's not really much of a solution. But I figured out a solution before I even bought the case. Mounting pads. They're pretty cool. You can connect zip ties to them and mount your wires to it. But we'll go around the back here. I'll pull the panel off. Sorry about the poor lighting. Oh crap. I don't even know how well you guys are going to be able to see this. Not going to be able to see it at all. Let me get some better lighting. But this is how I did it. What I did is I routed my cables pretty much wherever I wanted. And then after I had them all routed, then I went ahead and added these in. They stick anywhere. I made sure to hide the wires even behind exposed holes and stuff like that, so that way they stay nice and tucked away and hidden. And then, obviously, oh, I'm in front of the light. You can see there, yeah, big cluster of wires in this big area here, cluster here. Oh, that mounting pad came off. Oh no, re-stick. Re-stick. It works, trust me. Look at these. That's on there. It's not going anywhere. But that's a cable management solution that I could find for this case. I know some of these holes, there's not enough of these holes in here at all. I mean, there's some down here for the CPU power and everything routed down. The GPU, why didn't I put one there? Probably because the wire is nice and thick, ketchup and mustard. It's great. Also, I read in the comments for Newegg, a guy complained about his hard drive. His wires were hitting the glass when he put the glass on. Dude, really? Put your wires on this side of the case. I mean, it only makes sense, or otherwise you're routing wires completely to the other side of the case, and it's completely ridiculous. This is how I did my wires and cable management and everything. It's nice and neat and tucked away. I know for the one computer show where they were showing off these cases, they had all the wires just bunched up in the center, and it just looked like a rat's nest. It was horrible. It was a nightmare. And I said, if I'm getting one of these, I have to have something for my cable management. I have to have clean cables. Oh, and one more thing. I'm gonna go ahead and go around this way. Sorry if the light blinds you. Someone had said that they routed their wires for the power and reset button. They had to route them, a lot of them. They route them right through here and then through this hole to the back. With a little bit of patience, time, effort, and you can actually feed the front panel connector wires straight through the side here. It's a bit of a tight fit, definitely, but as you can see, mine's somewhat popped open a little bit. Oops. But you can route them through the side here and through the back, so that way you don't have all your cables hanging out through here and it looks like another mess of cables running through. Okay, so like I said, leave a comment. That is it for the cable management solution. I kind of like it. I know I'm happy. Look, see, it's stuck again. I don't know how it popped off, but now I'm pulling on that pretty hard. It's not going anywhere. So, yeah, it's a really good solution. Try it out. Let me know in the comments. I know some people out there are probably having troubles. The case is absolutely wonderful and beautiful. Leave a thumbs up if this really helped you out. And I'm going to try to get back into some live streaming, hopefully soon. All right, take care.